on everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alxr and I'm back with a brand new video. Today I'm going to show you 4 different ways you can lace the Nike Air Force 1 lows. I did a how to loosely lace them like 3-4 days ago maybe, and a couple of you in the comments were like, that's not the best way to wear them. Because I think I put like the best way in the title, so some of you are like, that's not the best way to wear them, like there's other ways to wear them. So I figured I will go ahead and show you 4 ways to lace them instead of just like 1 way to lace them. Sure. Yeah, I'm just going to show you 4 different ways to lace them. Before I get into the video though, I do just want to quickly say, let me show you on my phone, but let me show you on Social Blade. Can you see? I don't know if the camera's going to be able to change the lighting to pick it up. There you go. 5,000 subscribers. That's so crazy. So yeah, thank you, like for real. On the way to 10k. If you aren't already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below for more videos from me. Also turn the bell too, so you can watch every single time I put a brand new video. And if you do enjoy this video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Now let's get straight into the video. So I've got the shoes on, completely unlaced. As you can see, we're going to start with this shoe first, and the first lacing style is called the loose lace look. So you just want to go ahead, take the lace. Before you put it in, make sure the AF1 tag is facing downwards, as you can see, just like that. Then you want to put the lace through the 2 bottom holes first. So I'm going to put it through the inside hole first. Make sure the lace is flat so the AF1 tag sits directly in the middle, and then put the lace through the outside hole as well. Just like that, and then put up. And to make sure the laces are the same length on either side, you want to hold the laces at the very top like that, and then pull up. As you can see, the laces are the same length on either side. Now we can go ahead and start lacing them all the way up. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take the inside lace and put that through the outside hole just there. Make sure the laces are flat whilst doing so, and then you just want to put it through and pull, and then leave a little bit of a gap. As you can see, that little gap there, that's like the loose look basically. You just want to leave that little bit of gap between the lace and the hole, and then do the outside to the inside. So put it through, keep the lace flat, and then leave that little gap, and then inside to the outside, and then outside to the inside, and then inside to the outside, and then outside to the inside, and then inside to the outside, the whole time keeping the laces flat and loose just like that, and then outside to the inside. And then once you get to this little bit here, what you're going to want to do is take the inside lace, put it through just like that, keep the laces flat and pull, and then put that through the outside hole, and then take the outside lace and put that through but over the top of the other lace, so it goes through just like that. Keep the lace flat and pull through, then put that through the inside hole, and then you just want to take the inside lace and put it underneath, so upwards. So rather than going over the top like that, you want to put it underneath through just like that, and then leave that little bit of lace hanging over the edge, and then take the outside lace, put that through the inside hole from underneath, and leave that bit of lace hanging over the edge. Now what you're going to want to do is take your thumbs and pull on the outsides of the shoe just like that, and then loosely unlace them. Well, not, you don't want to unlace them, but like, you know what I mean, like loosen the laces off, like go all the way down, and then use your thumbs and pull on the side just like that, and then adjust the laces to how you want them to look. And that is how to loosely lace your Air Force Ones. I got 3 more styles to show you. This is the first style. Make sure to let me know in the comments which your favourite style is. Now I'm going to show you what they look like on feet. Now for the second lacing style, this is the bunny ear look. So what you're going to want to do is take the laces out from there, take the lace and then knot it. Just like that, and that is the bunny ear look. Looks cool, pretty fresh in my opinion, and that is style number 2. Now I'm going to show you what they look like on feet. Now for the third style, this is the factory lace look. So you just want to go ahead and tighten the laces like they came fresh out of the box. So just pull on the laces, going all the way up. Just like that, and then pull on the top laces as well, keeping the laces flat still. Then once you get to these 2 top holes either side, you want to take the inside lace, put it through the outside, and then the outside lace and put it through the inside, and then the inside lace and put it through the top hole, the top outside hole, and pull, keeping the laces flat, and then the outside through the top inside hole and pull. Now when you get Air Force and pretty much most shoes really out of the box, they come like pretty tight, so you just want to go ahead and pull on the laces to make them tight. Then once you've got enough lace at the top, you want to hold the laces, take your finger and pull it all the way to the bottom, then take your 2 fingers like that, put your 2 fingers just like that, then your thumb on top, and wrap the laces around your 2 fingers, and then tuck the lace through the gap, just like that, and then pull. And that is how to factory lace your Air Force Ones. Now I'm going to show you what this style looks like on feet. Now for the 4th lacing style. This is called the bar lacing method. So all you're going to want to do, exactly the same before, make sure the AF1 tag is facing downwards. Take the lace and thread it through the inside hole first and pull. Make sure the AF1 tag is in the middle, and then put the lace through the other side, just like that. To make sure they're the same length on either side, you want to hold the laces at the top and pull up, make sure they're the same length. Then all you're going to want to do is take the inside lace, skip a hole, so go to the 3rd hole and put it through and pull, just like that, and then take the lace, skip a hole on the outside and put it through the 3rd one up, just like that, and then take the outside lace, put it through the outside 2nd hole and pull, and then put the outside lace through the inside 2nd hole and pull, just like that. So as you can see, it's created that bar look. Looks pretty fresh in my opinion. Yeah, so all you're going to want to do is repeat the same process all the way up. So once again, skip a hole, put it through, then put the inside lace to the outside. So once again, skip a hole, put it through the next one up, keeping the laces flat, and then put the lace, the outside lace, through the outside hole, just like that, and the outside to the inside and pull. And then you want to take the inside lace, skip a hole once again, put the lace through and pull, and then put the inside lace through the outside hole, so skip one and put it through, just like that. And then the outside lace through the outside hole and pull, and then the outside through the inside and pull. Now to finish off, you just want to factory lace them. So wrap the laces around your 2 fingers, put the lace from the inside and pull, and then tuck the laces behind the tongue, just like that. And that is how to bar lace your Air Force 1. So that was the 4th style. Now I'm going to show you what they look like on feet. So that was just 4 different ways to lace your Nike Air Force 1 lows. You got the bunny ear look, the loose lace look, the factory lace look, and the bar lacing style. As always, make sure to let me know in the comment section below which your favourite lacing style is. Is it 1, 2, 3 or 4? Today's comment shout goes to Alicia Lopez. I'm going to put your comment right there. Thank you for watching, I really appreciate it. If you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below for more videos from me. Also turn on the bell too so you can notified every single time I put a brand new video. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Before I go, as I just want to say quickly once again, thank you for 5,000 subscribers. It does mean a lot. We are on the way to 10,000 now as well, so if you aren't already subscribed, hit subscribe. It's been your boy Sam with Alxr. I'm out. Peace.
I'm on a new level, headed to another league. This shit will never stop. My future looks overseas. I'm on a new level. Check out the blueprint. I'm rocking Gucci, mixed match with Givenchy. I'm on a new level, so see if I can new drip. Just like it's Nike, may I just do it.